Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen special for BMW 1 Series 25 to 12 years. Okay, you can check this shipping box. It's for 1 Series old model. You can check this paper suitable for 1 Series E87 27 to 11 years. Okay. You can check. This joystick iDrive come with the head unit together. And this part, this seat, this screw. You can check this screen. 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen, blue screen. You can check. Okay. You can check this seat. .3-inch seat. Okay. Let me show the harness and part. This GPS antenna. Okay. This knife, this 4G connection, this AUX, this 2 USB cable, and this audio cable. You can check this video out 1 and video out 2, and video input, microphone, video input, AUX input left and right, RC type. Okay. This power cable, small speaker. And you can check this connection. Okay, and this camera, real camera input RC type. This camera detect wire. And this camera 12 voltage. Okay. It comes with this iDrive joystick. You can check. Connection. Okay. This screw. Okay, you can check. And the back. This is SIM card slot, SIM card and SD card, TF card, SD card slot, and reset hole. This GPS is 4G. This Android Auto and Apple CarPlay already built in the head unit. This power audio USB. You can check BMW 1 Series. Quanco. This chip. 6+128GB and RAM 6GB and 128GB. CE Roche connection. CE Roche passed. Okay. And this seat comes with head unit together. You can check there has a connection 1, 2, 3, 4, and just cover this connection, and these two cover this and this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Let me disconnect. Okay, let me power head unit. Okay, it needs a moment. This Android 11 system. Okay, let me connect the power on back. This power connection. Let me test it. Okay, you can check how do you need to start. Okay, this clock. When you click clock, you enter the system. Let me adjust. Okay. You can check this UI interface. You have all apps are here. It's built in the DSP Google Play Store download application and maps and Z-Link wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. This music, this video, and this clock, this dashboard. You can change the color. Any color you can change this panel. Okay. Okay. Let me check the settings. Not Android, this system info you can check. RAM 6GB, ROM 128GB. Android 11 system. Okay, let me check the Android version. You can check Snapdragon 662 chip. Android 11 version. Okay, that's all. I will review video later, next video, function and other settings. Okay, thank you.